about 9:30 Friday, January 31st. This has been going on since at least 8 a.m. The property you see on the other side of the fence there, or don't see, depending on how well the video shoots, is the 14505 Lee Highway, aka quote-unquote the junkyard, which has been turned into a scrap metal / mulching yard. The equipment you hear is actually on 14601 Lee Highway at the very bottom of the hill right next to 29, before you get to the property of the other mulch yard on the other side. Not sure you can see that yellow house, but it's just below that. So it's a couple hundred yards away. It's measuring at about just over 60 dBAs from our property here on Vinewood Court. This will continue till 4 p.m. every day.